In this video you are going to see the Toyota Corolla that will make you question everything, so make sure to subscribe and watch the video till the end. Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be reviewing the 2024 Toyota Corolla. The Corolla is one of the most popular cars in the world, and for good reason. It's reliable, fuel efficient, and affordable. But is it the right car for you? Let's start with the engine. The Corolla comes with a standard 1.8 liters 4-cylinder engine that gets 31 miles per gallon in the city and 40 miles per gallon on the highway. If you want more power, you can opt for the 2.0 liters 4-cylinder engine, which gets 29 miles per gallon in the city and 39 miles per gallon on the highway. Both engines are paired with a continuously variable transmission, CVT. The Corolla is also a very comfortable car to drive. The ride is smooth and the handling is precise. The interior is also well appointed, with plenty of soft touch materials and comfortable seats. In terms of features, the Corolla comes standard with a long list of safety features, including automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, and adaptive cruise control. It also comes with a standard infotainment system with an 8-inch touchscreen display. So, is the Toyota Corolla the right car for you? If you're looking for a reliable, fuel-efficient, and affordable car, then the Corolla is a great option. It's also a very comfortable car to drive, and it comes standard with a long list of safety features. If you're looking for a more powerful car, you can opt for the 2.0 liters 4-cylinder engine. And if you want more features, you can opt for a higher trim level. Overall, the Toyota Corolla is a great car. It's a good value for the money, and it's a great choice for anyone looking for a reliable and fuel-efficient car. Thanks for watching my review of the 2024 Toyota Corolla. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more car reviews.